Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we have some exciting news that has just landed straight from DJI, the launch month for the much-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're a fan of drones or content creation, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. DJI Mini 5 Pro release date, the countdown begins. So, after much speculation and anticipation, DJI has officially confirmed the launch of the Mini 5 Pro. According to well-known sources, including industry insider Hakasushi, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025. That's the time frame we can all get excited about. Mark your calendars because this compact powerhouse is coming soon. For those who have been following the rumors, this news finally brings in clarity about the official release month. But this isn't just any release. We're talking about a massive upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro. DJI seems to have taken everything people loved about the Mini series and elevated it to a whole new level with this model. What's new with the Mini 5 Pro? If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was impressive, the Mini 5 Pro will truly knock your socks off. First off, it'll still weigh in under the 249-gram threshold, which means you won't have to deal with FAA registration hassles in the US. That's one big win for casual drone enthusiasts who want to avoid the red tape. But that's not all. DJI is reportedly upgrading the camera, and not just slightly. We're looking at a 1-inch sensor that promises better image clarity, improved low-light performance, and an overall sharper capture experience. Whether you're a seasoned drone photographer or a hobbyist, this is a major step forward in the mini drone category. Expect more vibrant colors, better details, and clearer footage in all kinds of lighting conditions. LiDAR technology, a game changer. For drones now, let's talk tech. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is the introduction of LiDAR technology. This would be the first time we see LiDAR featured on a drone of this size. If true, it's a game changer. LiDAR could dramatically improve obstacle avoidance, making the Mini 5 Pro even more reliable for both novice and advanced pilots. This would also enhance its ability to navigate tricky environments with ease. Improved flight time and range, another area where the Mini 5 Pro is set to outshine its predecessor is in flight time and range. The Mini 4 Pro already offers impressive performance, but the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to extend that flight time to a whopping 50 minutes, up from just 34 minutes with the Mini 4 Pro. That's a major leap. More time in the air means more footage, captured and longer adventures without worrying about battery life. And if that wasn't enough, the Mini 5 Pro could also feature a 25-kilometer range, which is far greater than what its predecessor offers. Add in new vertical shooting modes, and we have the ultimate drone for content creators looking for flexibility and high-quality footage. Perfect timing for holiday shopping. DJI has timed the release of the Mini 5 Pro brilliantly. With its official launch slated for September, this means the drone will hit the shelves just in time for the holiday shopping season. It's no secret that drones have become one of the most sought-after gadgets for the holidays, so DJI is likely aiming to dominate the market with this new release. Expect a surge in sales, and let's not forget about all the accessories that will be flying off the shelves as well. Regulatory considerations and design. One of the best aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its sub-249-gram weight. This keeps things simple in terms of regulations in both the United States and the European Union. As long as you stick with the stock configuration and avoid swapping in a heavier battery, you won't have to worry about additional legal requirements, like those pesky broadcast modules. In short, keep it light, and you're good to go. This lightweight design also makes it the perfect drone for those who want pro-level features without the hassle of lugging around a heavier model. If you're someone who wants a compact and powerful drone for travel or content creation, the Mini 5 Pro will likely be at the top of your list. Pricing and expectations. While we don't have an official price yet, let's make some educated guesses. For context, the Mini 4 Pro launched at $759, so the Mini 5 Pro will probably start around $850. With the addition of new features, better sensors, and more powerful capabilities, it's likely that the price could creep a bit higher, especially if tariffs are considered. Regardless of the price, the Mini 5 Pro sounds like it will be a serious upgrade, and one that could be totally worth the investment. Whether you're a hobbyist, content creator, or tech enthusiast, the Mini 5 Pro offers a lot of bang for your buck. We expect it to be the go-to drone for travelers and creators in 2025. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. With its advanced camera, improved flight time, LiDAR tech, and sleek design, it looks set to redefine what's possible with compact drones. We'll continue to keep an eye out for more updates, especially when it comes to official pricing and release announcements. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching the entire video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest updates on all things tech. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting news here on Techno Trend Zone. Peace out.